MashaAllah, welcome back. Yes. Sabah al-Khair. Lesson number 18 was going on from a long time. Total 8 parts came to you. Yes. Because the number names in Arabic, if you not understand, then it will be difficult for you to speak or write the number names in Arabic in words, because there were 3-4 rules already explained on. So better please again and again watch that video and understand the numbering of Arabic. So Alhamdulillah, lesson number 18 completed. PDF also forwarded to you beta yesterday. You write it from PDF in CW, and I have highlighted one sentence there. Answers means in that PDF only answers are written. Then I have written in bracket, copy sentences from textbook. Means the question of that answer and the sentence for that answer and the blanks, only I have written the blanks. So sentences for that all are in textbook. So you copy sentences from textbook and write answer from this PDF. Okay. So today I am going to start new lesson. Yes. Lessons are going on with Alhamdulillah. We will complete the syllabus. Either we meet or not meet. But you learn properly, understand properly. You can write in comment if you can't understand. You can write in group admin of class 7 that what you are not understanding in Arabic. Inshallah, I will try to make understand. So today our lesson is lesson 19, the cunning rabbit. Ad-Darsu Tasi Ashar. Ad-Darsu Tasi Ashar. Yes. Ashar, not Tasi. Okay. 19th lesson, you can see here. Here I have made one word, Ashar. Okay. So remember it. Al-Arnabul Muhtal. Al-Arnabul Muhtal. Look here. Ad-Darsu Tasi Ashar. Al-Arnabul Muhtal, the cunning language. Yes. So today I am going to translate the lesson. So listen carefully. Try to understand. And if you get hard in, so you write in comment. Or otherwise, how much you can remember, you write in your CW, the translation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fihi hidal baba ikana. Yes, beta. While watching video, please take textbook in your hand. Yes, take textbook in your hand. Page number 86. Yes. You know this? बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ना इसके साथ खेलना माशाल्लाह. Rabbit, yes. In Arabic, what do you say? Arnab. Al-Arnab, the rabbit. But you only rabbit, Arnab. Okay, both are Arnab. Here you can see what that? Fox. Yes. Fox. What do you say to fox in Arabic? The word is coming there. Sa'ala. What do you say? Sa'ala. And one is wolf. And wolf is called zebra. Yes. في إحدى الغابات كان أرنب يسكن مع أسرته بفرح وسرور. في إحدى الغابات. Ghabat means forest. Ghabatun is a singular word and Ghabat plural. في إحدى الغابات, in one of these forests, كان أرنب, there was a rabbit. يسكن مع أسرته, he lives with his family. في فرح وسرور, with happiness. खुशी से rabbit जो है जंगल में अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं. In one of the forests, there was a rabbit living with his family with happiness. Living with his family with happiness. كان في عقب هذه الغابة ثعلب وزيب. In that forest, in this forest, In the context of this forest, there was fox and wolf. كان صديقين يريدان أن يصطادا الأغراب. Both friends صديقون friend, صديقان two friend, but when in the sub position as a vowel, it is صديقين. The two friends was yuridane. Two friends wanted to ayastada, to kill, to hunt the rabbit. ये दोनों मिलकर हमेशा प्लानिंग करते कि किसी तरह रैबिट को क्या करें, मार दें, शिकार कर दें. यस्तादा, इस्ताद, यस्तादु, इस्तादा फैले वाली, यस्तादु फैले मुजारी, यस्तादा फैले मुजारी, मुसन्ना जमा मुज़क्कर, sorry, मुसन्ना जमा मुसन्ना मुज़क्कर वाइफ. But because of one, the noon is not here because it what in फैले मुजारी का यस्तादु यस्तादाने नून आता है, लेकिन आप बोलते हैं नून नहीं है, तो वो एक रूल है ग्रामर का, वो मैं आपको बाद में समझाऊंगा. Both friends wanted to hunt the rabbit. ولكن من عادة الأغرب أن يتخلص منه بحيلته وسكن. But always the rabbit, because of his habit, right from both with his cleverness, यानी अपनी होशियारी और अपनी चालाकी की वजह से ये रैबिट जो है हमेशा बच जाता है. ولكن من عادة الأغلب, but the habit of the rabbit was to read from both with his cleverness and intelligence. يوما قال السعد لصديقه. One day, the fox said to his friend, who is friend of our fox? Yes, wolf. ماذا ترى بهذا الأغلب المحتال? What do you say about this cunning rabbit? What do you say about this cunning rabbit? Okay, fantastic. How you can kill it? आप कैसे उसको मार सकते हैं? अजाब सिख, the wolf replied, إن هذا الأغلب يحب الجزر كثيرا. This rabbit likes mostly carrots. The rabbit likes carrots very much. इस खरगोश को गाजर बहुत पसंद है. إن هذا الأغلب يحب الجزر كثيرا. This rabbit likes the carrots very much. نقدم أمامه كيسا كأنه مبلغ. Will throw one bag front of him as it is full of carrots. यानी गाजर से भरा हुआ एक बैग, खाली होगा बैग तो, लेकिन वो बैग हम उसके पास फेंकेंगे, वो समझेगा कि इसमें क्या है, गाजर है. Will throw one bag front of him as it is full of carrots. ولكنك جالس في داخل. But in the bag, carrots will be not there. You will sit, means fox. You will sit inside the bag. ولكنك جالس في داخل. But you will sit inside the bag. إذا قرب الأمر منه, when the rabbit comes near the bag, تهاجم عليه بسرعة. You will jump on him fastly. وتقتل, and you will kill him. ثم نأكل لذيذ معه. Then we eat the delicious meat of it. हम उसका गोश्त खाएंगे. Okay, बेटा. वफ़ी अबुताई, second day, जान अज़ीब बिल्किस. The wolf came with the bag. वफ़ी जौफ़ी सआरा युरीदु क़त्ल al-Arab. In the bag there was a fox want to kill the rabbit. नज़र al-Arab बिल्किस बुरहान. The rabbit saw the bag little وفهمت النزيف and understood the wolf planning and said, "Hi, is Mamluk just bag full of the carrots? Yes, sir. of it is أولا ادخل أنت في الكيس. First you enter the bag. قال الذئب في الكيس وشد الأرنب. دخل الذئب, the wolf entered the bag and the rabbit tied immediately. بقي المصدقان المعقولان في داخل الكيس. The whole cunning friends get inside the bag. So this was the translation for the lesson beta. इसको अच्छे से
So student, once more I am doing translation for this lesson. Listen carefully. في إحدى الغابات كان أرنب يسكن مع أسرته في فرح وسرور. One of the forest, a rabbit was living with his family in happiness. كان في عقد هذه الغابة ثعلب وذئب. In the contract of this forest there was a fox and wolf. ثعلب, fox, and ذئب, wolf. كان صديقين يريدان أن يصطاد الأرنب. Both friends were wishing to hunt the rabbit. ولكن من عادة الأرنب يتخلص منهما بحيلته وذكائه. But the habit of the rabbit was to read from both with his intelligence and cleverness. يوما قال الثعلب لصديقه. One day the fox said to his friend, means to the wolf, ماذا ترى بهذا الأرنب المحتال? What do you say about this cunning rabbit? وكيف تقتله, and how you will kill him? أجاب ذئب إن هذا الأرنب يحب الجزر كثيرا. The wolf replied, surely this rabbit likes carrots very much. نقدم أمامه كيسا كأنه مملوء بالجزر. We'll throw one bag front of him like it is full of the carrots. ولكنك جالس في داخل الكيس, but you will sit inside the bag. إذا قرب الأرنب منه تهاجم عليه بسرعة. When the rabbit comes near, you will jump on him fast and you will kill him. ثم نأكل لحمه اللذيذ معا. Then we'll eat the delicious meat together. في يوم التالي جاء الذئب بالكيس. Second day, the wolf came with bag. وفي جوفه الثعلب. Inside the bag there was the fox. يريد قتل الأرنب, who wants to kill the rabbit. نظر الأرنب إلى الكيس مرهة. The rabbit saw the bag little. وفهم كيد الذئب, and understood the wolf planning. وقال هاي كيس مملوءة بالجزر, and rabbit said, oh, a bag full of the carrots. يا صديقي تعال, oh my friend, come. نأكل جميعا من هذا الجزر الناضج. We eat together all these fresh carrots. أولا ادخل أنت في الكيس. First you enter the bag. دخل الذئب في الكيس. The wolf entered the bag. وشده الأرنب على الفور. The rabbit tied immediately. بقي الصديقان الماكران في داخل الكيس. Both cunning friends were tied inside the bag. So children, this was a clear translation. As the main point of this lesson, two things are there. One, af'ale naqisa, incomplete verb. Kana, you can see again kana is coming. And second is an-nasiba, an used for possessive pronoun as a vowel. The both kana, af'ale naqisa, incomplete word. There are 12 incomplete verbs. Kana, sara, asba, amsa, adha, zalla, bata, ma bariha, madama, manfakka. So I will explain in next video inshallah what kana's activity and what kana do. And second is an always enter on the fi'l mudhari. So the kana and an, both the thing I will send in next video inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.